Hello, residents of Clinton County. I'm Clinton County Sheriff David Favreau, here to deliver a very important message to you that some may even say is a life-saving message. You've heard an awful lot the last several weeks about the COVID-19 virus and the impact that it's had on our local region. The best thing that we can continue to do for ultimate success with this is to maintain social distancing. Some people have said whether you can, there's some options. Maintain social distancing. The 6 feet rule is a very good rule that helps protect us more than anything. Staying in your homes as much as you can. A lot of people have complained and said, I have to get out, I have to go shopping, I have to pick up a quart of milk. Families that have multiple members in this community, it would be wise to pick up your phone, contact your mother, your grandmother, a brother, sister, even a neighbor, and be able to do one round of grocery shopping for these people and be able to leave it on their porch so that they can just go out and pick up their groceries from there, as opposed to having multiple people going out in the public to risk possible contamination. There's also been an awful lot of talk about masks. I think one thing that we have to realize with a mask, although it will protect the nose and the eyes, it is not a substitute for social distancing. You can't wear a mask and say, well, I can get in close with other people and it's going to protect me. It'll protect your nose and it'll protect your mouth. But if cough droplets, air droplets get into your eyes, get into your space where you're going to get it even on your hands and you're going to wipe your face, wipe your eyes, that nose and mouth cover alone is not going to be a total protection. Although it will assist and it is encouraged, please realize that it is not a substitute for social distancing or for staying at home. With the Easter holiday having just passed us yesterday, a lot of people, I'm sure, are very anxious to get out and be with their friends and their family and spend some time together. All of us are. I'm a parent, I'm a grandparent. There's nothing more that I wanted yesterday than to go give my grandkids a hug and to wish them a happy Easter. I wasn't able to do that, but we came up with an alternative. We parked at the end of their driveway, watched them ride their bicycles, were able to wave to them and talk to them from a distance. It's not what we wanted, but it worked. There are many things that we can do, but we just have to understand what it is we're doing. We're trying to isolate, we're trying to starve this virus so it leaves our community. We can all do a very valuable part of that by doing the things that our health department and the state health department has been directing us to do for a couple weeks now. As far as the gatherings go, people have been calling, they have been letting law enforcement know, they've been contacting Pause New York. And again, these are things that we can help by notifying the proper agency and they can be looked into. I do want to do a friendly reminder to all restaurants out there that serve alcoholic beverages. If you are providing a curbside or pickup service only, that does not mean you are allowed to allow people to go into your facility and sit down with groups 3, 4, 5, or 6 at a bar and have a drink or two while they're waiting for their meals to be prepared. We've gotten several reports on that, and I'd like to give that warning out to everybody right now not to engage in that type of activity. Something that we've all learned, very significant since this virus has taken a hold of us. We were all a technology society a month and a half ago. Our cell phones were the most important thing. Our iPads, our computers, we spent so much time on those, dealing with games, sending messages to people. That became a way of life. People said, well, it makes my life easier, it makes things go by faster. Now, one thing that we're hearing more frequently than anything, I'd like to see somebody, I'd like to be with somebody. We need people as a society to be able to survive. We have learned in the last couple weeks that this technology is a great tool for us to be able to survive and helps us stay in contact with our families. Over Easter, my family sat down and we FaceTimed each side of the family and had everybody on the computer screen and we're being able to connect. I actually took a photograph of the screen because this will be a historical moment for all of us when we look back in history and say, wow, this changed the way we think and the way we function. So utilize those tools right now to your benefit to protect yourself, protect your community, and also to be able to reach out to other people that may need some assistance and keep in close contact with them and provide assistance to them through the use of your technology. Thank you for your cooperation and your support during this very difficult time, and I ask that you continue to be patient. It's difficult sometimes just being at home with nothing to do, no place to go. It's very easy for people to get on each other's nerves, the kids to get on your nerves. So be patient and understand that we're in this together and that we're all going through the same difficulties. Try and find something that your family can do that will help pass the time. Great idea and a suggestion: go through your old scrapbooks, your old photo albums, and talk about the good times. Talk about a lot of the fun that you've had, some good family events, and rehash some good, exciting family memories. A lot of times kids love to be able to see even memories of families that they hadn't even met yet. So opportunities like that, now's a chance to take advantage of it. It's a good family activity. You're maintaining your social distancing from the rest of the community. North Country, be safe. Thank you for your support.